How to fix battery drain issue in Android 14. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to fix battery drain issue. Now, first of all, what you want to do is to fix the battery drain issue. You want to make sure to completely close the background running app, just like that. And when you do it so, this might be able to help you save your battery as well. The other thing, what you also want to do is you could also decrease your brightness. If you have a maximum brightness, then you could just minimize it just like that. And make sure that you've not enabled any sort of these modes such as Bluetooth, or like when you're not using it, you could just toggle the button for that. And lastly, you could go to the settings and enable some options as well. So here, what you could do is to fix it, so you could simply go ahead and click on the battery button over here, and then you could check the battery uses as well. You could check which of these following application is using much, and you could also go ahead and explore the options, or maybe if there is any, you could try uninstalling the app that is using the maximum battery. And if you have any sort of unused app, you could also try uninstalling. That might be able to help. You could also go to battery health and make sure to go ahead and options, or enable the options right on this page as well. And this might be able to fix the battery drain issue in Android 14. So these are a couple things you could try. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.